On MaxBulk Mailer, when you have a recipient list, each recipient may have different statuses. By default, a recipient is subscribed, and its icon is a card like this with a green check mark on the top right. So this is the default status of a recipient. When you add the recipient, automatically, if it is not duplicated, it has this status. Then you can check or uncheck the recipient. If you uncheck a recipient, automatically you deactivate it, so it will not be sent if you click on the send button. You can also unsubscribe a recipient this way. An unsubscribed recipient is automatically unchecked. You can't check it back, and it is a card icon with a red cross on the top right. You can subscribe it back with this menu. You have to click OK, and you can also add it to the blacklist. The blacklist is a special list that is global to the application. A recipient that is added to the blacklist will be unsubscribed to all the lists application wide. So here, if you want to subscribe it again, you can't, and the name is completely appears this way across, as you can see here. You can remove a recipient from the backlist. So only the recipient that are subscribed and checked will be sent. The recipient that are unchecked, unsubscribed, or to the added to the blacklist will not be sent. Same if a message has already been sent, like this one. Even if it is checked like this, even if this recipient is checked, since it has already been sent, it will not be sent again. You have to click on the reset button to check to reset its status to unsent, or you mark as unsent here. So the difference between checked and subscribed is this one. This is checked, and this is subscribe or unsubscribe. Hope this helps. Have a good day.